No money.
No money?
What about the 500? Right?
Say something about 500. 500.
Yeah, say something. No, say 500. More, my friend.
Give
No,
the
no,
address, we send there.
Tita, say hi.
Back to
I
back.
will see her in
Give
Japan.
your account
Alright.
number. I will tell to Ronaldo.
Still have champagne?
Open one.
Someday, somehow, you...
Panyero, what can you say about Delia?
She's a
Ah, Daddy, what can you say about Delia?
Delia, please, let's say pechong, my friend.
No respect.
Panyero. Ano mo, Delia?
Delia.
This is for you, huh?
P-A-N-G-I-T.
Say something.
Delia means conditionality.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's the word.
Tell my friend, tell my friend. Tangin na mo,
The
mais.
hell is gold or rust?
Take
Like away. Check.
Sikatya, sikatya.
Atya, what can you say about Delia?
P-A-N-G-A-T.
I will miss her.
Kiss, kiss, lips to lips.
How about Fiori?
Thank you,
Ayan,
yeah.
one by one.
I see you soon.
Rotation.
Alright.
Ayan, o.
Chupang!
Chupang.
Delia is always pretty girl.
Focus,
That's why I
focus.
have pretty boy.
Alright! Dep!
Focus, focus.
Yeah, Delia is my best friend and she's a good person. She's good person.
Again, Daddy.
No, yeah, serious. She's very nice, no? I will mess up pechong, no? What can I do?
Ida.
If Delia is pechong, William is pok-pok, so why not?
Ah, William now. Now William for Delia. Alright. Alright. Listen. Okay. Later. You have something to say, no?
Close up,
Ay,
Delia.
pok-pok, say something.
Okay.
No more heart feeling.
Very
No
fast.
more heart, no more.
Silencio.
No more erection as they have.
Alright.
Okay.
Conditionality.
William, go.
William.
In general, actually, Delia, in general, she's nice.
Shit! God damn it! Okay. And.
She's nice.
Problem.
She's nice.
It's, what happened to us was, actually, I talked with Edsel that time, and Edsel said, I'm laughing the two of you, no? Because maybe it's just, we're waiting, each of us waiting for someone to bow, no?
To bow down,
Edsel,
yeah.
no. And I said, it's
So
not,
that this is the time.
it's not my fault, why will
Listen.
I? But anyway, so that's the story. But in general, actually, Delia is nice. She always help, and she always help me actually.
So you're telling us now that you will be the one to bow down for Delia because she will go home.
No, both of us.
Together.
Oh, both of us! Yeah, man! Alright, kiss and hug. Kiss and hug. Alright, now you can see. Benchung to benchung. Bakla sa bakla. Alright. Before. Alright. Kiss. Tomboy. Who's the tomboy? Alright. Okay,
Okay, enough.
Okay, madam, have something to say.
I already said.
I will be the one to say something.
Again.
We will miss you, motherfucker. Gail.
Delia, very nice person. But
Julek? Okay, now Delia will be the one to say it. Kapredi! Kapredi! Say something!
Wala daw siya professional.
Hindi daw nakapaganda.
Ikaw lang palaging wala.
Okay, Delia will say something.
Don't cry for me,
You
Argentina.
know, this my contract is very long. 10 months. Almost 1 year. So a lot of things.
10 months?
Yeah. If I listen back December or year, because I am back in December.
Alright.
So you extend.
Don't tell story about your contract, my friend. You say something.
You know
Wait,
already?
no?
You know already where you go?
She extends so that she can give money.
And then, a lot of things happen here. Happiness, sadness, everything. Supervisor, assistante, a lot of people.
Somebody come back.
Becoming kids, my-
Yeah, already twice changed the boyfriend, no? To a long time.
No,
And
I
then?
really miss this thing. This is my best contract.
Fuck you!
With best people.
Always the best. Every contract.
And man. Yeah. It's already like
The best.
family.
This one is your best contract?
Pre, sumo abang siya.
I don't believe you.
It's like family, no?
Oh, say ciao ciao.
So, yun ang contract.
Okay. Say ciao, say ciao. Ciao, Delia.
Going
Ciao, Delia. Hey, kacha. Ciao, Delia.
Tara sa Crumes.
Ciao, Delia. Ciao, Delia.